All right, so these are just my hash brown patties. On top of those, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Colby Jack cheese. This is the shredded cheese, and I am just gonna sprinkle that right on top of our hash browns. I'm gonna use half this bag and save the other half for later. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some Munster cheese, but we do need to shred this cheese. So I have over here my handy dandy cheese shredder. So let's go ahead and open this baby up and get to shredding. Now you could obviously buy already shredded cheese, but I did not see any Munster cheese already shredded at the store. So just gently shred this cheese. We're gonna use a lot of it, so let me go ahead and just peel that wrapper off so we can get our cheese shredded. Ooh, yeah, I love freshly grated cheese. I mean, if you wanted to, you could buy some Colby Jack that's not shredded and go ahead and shred all of your cheeses. But you know what? I don't have time for that. So I'm only shredding the Munster because I couldn't find it already shredded. All right.
That's a really good shredder.
Yeah, it works great. And then they have this little topper so that you don't have to hurt your hands. Oh no, I think it got jammed. That's okay. We have enough cheese right here. Let's go ahead and grab our Munster cheese, bring it over here and put it right on top of that Colby Jack. Now this is gonna be a super easy and super delicious breakfast hash brown casserole. You have never seen anything like this before. It is so cheesy, so yummy, and delicious. All right, now if you didn't think there was enough cheese, we got some more. This is the Havarti cheese, and I did slices this time, and you will see why. We are gonna just plop some slices right on top. Make sure you don't get those papers on there, just like this. Oh my goodness, I mean, come on, look at how cheesy this looks. And I did grease my 13x9 pan. That is super important. Do not forget to grease your pan. Okay, we're almost ready for something that's gonna make this dish next level. Ooh! All right, can you guess what's next?
No clue.
Everyone's favorite breakfast meat, bacon. Okay, we're gonna grab a few, actually we're just gonna grab all 5 slices.
What do you know with the 5 slices?
All 5 slices, some scissors, and I know you guys are gonna get mad at me, and we're just gonna chop up that bacon super quick.
It looks like plenty of bacon.
All right, now we're gonna do another layer of these delicious hash brown patties. Like I said, this is a hash brown cheesy potato casserole. This is gonna be so good. You guys, look at how they just sit in there so perfectly. I don't even think we need to split it this time because it gets wider at the top. Yeah, you knew what I was trying to say. All right, we're gonna go back with the rest of our Colby Jack cheese. Hopefully I saved enough. It's okay, we'll make that work. Spread it out, beautiful. All right, and we still have some of that Munster cheese, you guys. I'm sorry, let me know in the comments how to say that, because I am butchering these cheeses literally in the shredder and figuratively in the name. Okay, go ahead and get a nice layer on there. And then I don't know if we have enough slices of cheese of the Havarti, but I'm just gonna add what we have left because, like I said, this is a cheesy dish.
Plenty of cheese.
Okay, this is gonna be so good, you guys, but we are not done yet. What does all good breakfast dishes have?
Eggs.
Yeah, we have some delicious eggs. We have 6 eggs here, so let me go ahead and move our casserole dish. All right, so take your 6 eggs. I have some fat-free half and half. We're gonna just measure with our hearts. About half a cup. I have some garlic powder we're gonna add to it. You can season to your liking. And then some onion powder. We are almost done here, you guys. This is the last step. Yummy. I have a whisk here, and we're gonna go ahead and whisk these eggs super quick so we can just drizzle them right on top of our casserole dish. That looks delicious. Once our eggs are nice and scrambled with the seasoning, and I like adding the seasoning into the eggs because this is gonna drizzle and fall into the entire casserole, so it's the easiest way to season your breakfast. Let's go ahead and grab that casserole just right back here. And now it's time for the final step. Go ahead and drizzle. Ooh, yeah, this is gonna be so good. All right, my oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for an hour, okay? We need to make sure those frozen hash browns are cooked. All right, you guys, look at that cheesy potato, eggy deliciousness.
Wow.
I'm so excited. And you guys know, a breakfast is not breakfast without a little sriracha in my house. But you know, I'm not in my house, so I'm using this Tabasco stuff. I hope it's still good. Ooh, just a nice drizzle on the entire thing because if you can't take the heat, you're not eating my breakfast. All right, so I'm actually gonna cut 2 slices today because I have a special guest.
Who's the special guest?
You'll see. Just quickly cut these. Oh, she came around. I have Elaine here.
Is that Elaine America?
Yes.
I'm so excited to try this.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. And you guys always get mad at me because I take the first bite first.
Add that.
Yeah, so good.
Wow.
This time I'll let Elaine take the first bite.
Thank you. What an honor.
Come on, big piece or small piece?
I'll take the big piece.
You like it big?
I like it big. Thank you. I can handle a lot. Ooh.
All right, dig in.
Cheers.
Oh my god, all the
goodness.
cheese.
This smells so good.
Oh, I need some more potato in mine.
Ooh.
Babe, you said Elaine was gonna take the first.
I know, I'm gonna hold off. I'm gonna just blow mine for a really long time.
Mmm.
Is it good? Oh, so good.
You like it?
Mm. Oh.
You don't mind if I just keep this here?
Yeah, you can have it.
Okay, thank you.